Hello, my name is DeAndre,
And I'm Melissa.
and today we're going to talk about how to create an internal usage guide. So once you've launched your CRM, the training is over and your teams are off to the races, and you may feel that your job is finished. However, with any software system, your teams will need ongoing support. They may forget how certain functions work, and they may need to be refreshed on a task that they don't often use, or they may have new employees come in and they need to be acclimated to the system.
And this is where an internal usage guide can be useful. A collection of instructions and guidelines that your users can reference once training has finished to continue to use your CRM system effectively. But make sure that your internal guideline document is easily accessible by all users and that it describes the what, when, and how of your CRM system. For more tips and tricks on how you can make your CRM work best for you and your business, check out our MasterSolve blog.